welcome back to the channel. If you've ever thought about starting a blog, launching an online store, or building any online presence, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing how you can get free cPanel web hosting with premium benefits. Yes, lifetime access to a hosting solution without spending a single dollar. Crazy, right? This isn't just free. It's an unbeatable deal, especially for those of you just starting out or testing the waters with your first website project. You'll get powerful features like 3 hosted domains, unlimited subdomains, WordPress support, unlimited databases, and more. The best part? You don't have to compromise on disk space or bandwidth. Before we dive into the steps, if you want to access the full article I'm referencing today, or need the links mentioned, make sure to check out this website, insteps.notion.site. You'll find everything you need there. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. All right, now let's get into it. Make sure you've got a cup of coffee, tea, or whatever fuels your creativity, because I'm breaking this down step by step so you don't miss a thing. Step 1. First, you start by visiting the chat window provided by SV servers through their support link. This is where you'll officially begin your journey toward scoring the free hosting plan. Once you're connected to customer service, send them a polite message requesting details about the free cPanel hosting plan. It's straightforward. Just introduce yourself and get the ball rolling. Step 2. Now, here's the real kicker. SV servers will ask you to leave 3 5-star reviews on their review platform as part of the qualification process. They'll guide you through exactly where to leave those reviews. But here's the important part. All 3 reviews need to be approved and published. So, craft thoughtful and honest feedback that aligns with the service they're offering. Step 3. Once they share the review platform link, it's time to write. And listen carefully. This is where many people slip up. Follow their guidelines to a T. Make each review unique. Use separate email addresses, and even switch up details like names and locations for every review. Pro tip: using a VPN browser extension if needed can help mix things up. Step 4. After submitting your reviews, you'll need to be patient. It typically takes about 3 to 4 days for the reviews to be approved and published. During this time, keep checking the review site daily for updates. And once they go live, take screenshots as proof. Trust me, you will need those receipts later. Step 5. Now it's time to circle back to customer service. Open the same chat window and send the screenshots of your published reviews along with your email address. They'll verify everything and ask for either your domain name or suggest one to finalize the setup. And voila! That's it. Your free cPanel hosting plan is ready to go. Seriously, SV Servers makes this process incredibly smooth, as long as you follow these steps. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. What's the catch? Well, the only real requirement is that you have a paid domain name and at least 3 active email addresses to use for the reviews. That's it. So, if you're serious about getting started, I'd say this is one of the easiest ways to get premium hosting for free. If you want a refresher on these steps or need a quick look at the links, head over to insteps.notion.site. I've put the full article there, complete with screenshots, examples, and all the resources you'll need. Bookmark it so you can come back to it later. All right, my friends, that wraps up today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and insider guides to help you master the digital world. And as always, drop your questions in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay creative